guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful bookmark. First, you should make a magic ring. Then chain 3. For double crochet yarn over, insert your hook into magic ring, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. For triple crochet yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into magic ring, grab the yarn. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again, 3 times. Now double crochet again. Chain 3 again, and now slip a stitch in chain 1, then 3 double crochet in magic ring. Now chain 3 again, slip a stitch in chain 1 again, now we need 2 double crochet, and 1 triple crochet again, and now we need half double crochet. For half double crochet yarn over, insert your hook into magic ring, yarn over and pull through all together. And now just a slip a stitch. This. Insert your hook and grab the yarn, then chain 40 times. Now slip a stitch in the second chain. Now we need one single crochet. For single crochet, insert your hook into chain, grab the yarn over and pull through 2. Then 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet into next chain. Then 1 half double crochet again and 1 single crochet and a slip stitch again. Then repeat that pattern again. Slip a stitch until the end of your leaves. Cut the yarn. For attaching its eyes. Repeat that one more time for the other eye. Now we have got this beautiful bookmark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.